Hello again, woodworking fans. Here's another hammer, the famous oil up moment with some lovely linseed oil. This is an order which has been given to me by a friend of mine who actually wants to give this as a present to her father. He used a pretty similar method to the previous ones, although as you make more improvements. And I've actually made some detailing inside in the veneers, which I've inserted inside of it, just to give it a slightly different look. Needs a bit more sanding. It probably needs a few more coats of this and then a bit of wax. But yeah, these mallets have become a little bit of a celebrity in themselves. Anyway, that's the oil up moment. If you want to buy one of these, I've been selling them for $100 each. Pays for all the equipment in the shed, and the wood goes to a good home. And yeah, these mallets are certainly fantastic in their quality and the quality of the wood. So tune in again next time. Mallet lovers, keep cool.